Imagine the world as a child. The green of the grass was so vibrant, the blue of the sky seemed to hum with energy, and a simple red balloon was an explosion of visual joy. As the years pass, many of us have the subtle feeling that these colors have lost some of their intense sparkle. This isn't just nostalgia, it's a real shift in how our eyes capture light, a natural consequence of the aging of our visual system. The path of light to the brain is complex. First, it passes through the cornea, the transparent outer layer. Then it crosses the lens, a natural lens that, over time, tends to yellow and lose some of its transparency. It's like placing a subtle amber filter over your eyes, especially muffling the shades of blue and violet, which require more effort to perceive. Next, the light plunges into the vitreous humor, a gel that fills most of the eye. With age, this gel can become a bit cloudier or develop small floaters, which also diffuse and soften the light reaching the retina. In the retina, at the back of the eye, are the true stars of color capture, the cones. There are cones sensitive to red, green, and blue. Over the decades, the number and efficiency of these cones, especially those that capture blue, can decrease. Additionally, the cells that support them and process the signals, including the rods, responsible for low light vision, but also influencing contrast, lose vitality. The result is a less sharp perception with colors that appear paler, less saturated, and a reduced contrast between different shades. The red might look more earthy, the green more muted, and the blue sky can take on a grayer hue. It's not color blindness, but rather a palette that has lost some of its youthful intensity. This brings up a fascinating thought. If older eyes see the world with softer colors, why do our memories of childhood feel so incredibly vivid and colorful? Why does that dress your mother wore, your first bicycle, or a sunset on a beach vacation shine in your memory with an intensity they may never have had in reality? The answer seems to lie at the heart of the human experience: nostalgia. Memory isn't a faithful recording, but a reconstruction. When we recall something significant, we associate not only the image, but the whirlwind of emotions we felt at that moment: joy, discovery, love, excitement. These strong emotions saturate the memory, as if painting the colors with an extra glow. Nostalgia, that bittersweet feeling of recalling the past, has the power to intensify this emotional saturation even more. Memory then doesn't preserve the exact physical color, but rather the emotional impact that color had on us. The world of memory becomes more vivid precisely because our current perception has become more restrained, creating a powerful contrast between what we see now and what we feel we saw back then. It's a poetic way for the mind to preserve magic even as the physical eyes begin to fail. This gradual change in our perception of colors is a gentle reminder of the passage of time and the fragility of our sensory connection to the world, but it also offers a precious invitation. The next time a sunbeam illuminates a flower, the sea shines in shades of emerald, or the smile of someone special warms your day, pause, take a deep breath, observe with your full attention, absorbing not just the color, but the texture, the light, and the emotion it awakens. Hold on to that instant with all its brilliance, for it is this way, by being fully present, that we gather the most vivid colors for the palette of our future memories.